Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign out of your Burger King's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign out of your Burger King's account, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.bk.com and make a search. The official page of Burger King account will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you are not logged in and then click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on Account Info. Scroll all the way down and click on Sign Out option. Confirm logging out of your Burger King's account by tapping on Yes. This is how you can log out of your Burger King's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.